property everyone. Do you remember the property? Only if the user is logged in, then he can visit the card page, profile page and log out. These things can be executed only if the user is logged in. So we are going to make use of a property to check whether the user is logged in or not. What is that property? No, not login required. Login required is a decorator. Decorator which is going to work on the function. Yes, Venkatesh, correct. It is request.user.isAuthenticated. It is authenticated. Is authenticated property. If request.user.isAuthenticated is authenticated. If the user is authenticated, I will show the user the home page. Home page is the one which is going to be present even though the user is authenticated or else the user is not authenticated also. So, home page, card, profile, logout, login and register are the one things which will be displayed if the user is not authenticated. I am going to remove the register. Register will be present in the login page itself. So I will remove the register from my navbar. No need to have the register. Coming to your help and about, it will be present even if the user is not logged in and even if the user is logged in. Let me keep it over here also. And home page is also visible if the user is logged in as well as not logged in. And this will be your else block. If. Now let me refresh it out. This proper. Now let me log in. Submit. Home login it's coming. Why it should be else? Authenticated. Is authenticated it should be. Yeah, now it is proper. See, I just missed D and it did not work. After I gave completely, that time only it is working. So now I am able to get all the things. When I log out, the navbar will be home, login, help and about. If I log in, I will get the rest of the things. It is authenticated. TED. Copy down everyone the navbar code properly. Still, we are going to modify our navbar. Once I start with the card and all, still the navbar will be changed. For now, this is your navbar. Just define def update protein request return render request comma profile.html. Then go to the urls.py file, path, update profile, name equal to update profile. It should be update profile. I already have profile.html. Let me give the file name as update profile dot html. Create a new HTML file with this particular name. Extends main.html, then block, we use the block content. Block. No, in the same auth project, user auth application itself, you need to create a new view and HTML file, that's all. H1 update profile. So this particular thing will be present in the profile. So break anchor tag URL within the single quotes update profile. So observe everyone, user auth application views.py file, create a view, update profile, define the URL path, then what you need to do, create update profile.html, add the link tag in your profile.html, add the link tag in the profile.html. Server is running, right? So let me log in. 1 2 3 4 submit. Go to the profile. Yes, update profile. I am able to get the update profile page. First complete it till here, you should get a normal update profile page. Text FD from the session storage, fetch and display it also. Request dot user dot first underscore name. Yeah. Then break label last name input of type text L name value request dot user dot last name. After that user can edit his email ID, email, input of type text, email, value, request dot user dot email. Yeah, these and all things he can edit it out. Password, we already have the reset password button, so no need to include it over here. Button of type submit. Break. Yeah. Now let me refresh and check whether I am able to get the form. Yes, user 1 we gonna see. Yes, I am able to get the things. User object instance, it is present in the session storage. From the session storage directly we can fetch the currently logged in user object instance. So request.user, if you give, it is going to give you the currently logged in user object instance. After that, what you need to do, you need to get whatever the name the user is going to enter. whatever the new data the user is going to enter, you need to get it. Request dot method will be post, equal to post, get the data, first name equal to request dot post f name within equals. Last underscore name equal to request dot post l name and then the email. Request dot post email. After this, what I need to do? I need to update my existing object instance, which is stored in the variable data. So data dot first underscore name equal to first underscore name, then data dot last underscore name, data dot last underscore name equal to last underscore name. After that, data dot email equal to email. Yes, whenever you perform the update operation, you need to save it. Data dot save. Now what you can do, you can redirect to the profile view. You can redirect it to the profile view after performing the update operation. So return redirect to profile. Server is running. Let me once refresh it out. Let me now change the name to Meghana. Last name be the same itself. Let me change it to 123. Clicking on the update, so let me make it as C. Let me make it as last name C. Okay, now observe everyone. See Meghana C. It has been updated. The reset password logic is present in one more view. One more HTML file. I am asking the user to enter the password, and then I am going to update that particular user's password. But how will this view know which user is trying to update the password? So what I am doing, I am storing the username in the session storage. Request.user fp underscore user is just a key. You can give anything. It is your wish. It is just a key. Request.session fp underscore user u.username. What happens in a dictionary? Fp underscore user will be a key and username will be the value. In the form of dictionary, it will get stored. From the dictionary, I am fetching it out using the get method. Dot get fp underscore user. So what this get method will do, if someone tries to go to the new password page without going to the forget password page, get method is going to return none. If I don't use get method directly, if I try to fetch it out, it is going to throw me error. So to avoid that one, I am going with the get method, and get is going to return none. If it is returning none, I am going to redirect it to the forgot password. If it is not returning none, that means the forgot username, the username from the session storage, which we have written over here, we are fetching it from the session storage. Is it clear, Chandrasekhar? to remember which user is trying to reset his password, we are going with this particular logic. Why? Because here we have used two different views. If you are writing all the things in a single view, then no need to store it in the session storage. Without storing it in the session storage, directly different views, we are making use of my session storage. Okay, so this completes the authentication system. That's all about the authentication system. Now let's start with the project. Everyone close the auth user. You will get confused. Close all these things. Now we don't want these things. Update. You still work. Which one you want me to show? The view. Copy down Venkatesh. Uploads folder and a default image. Uploads folder and a default image. Connect the media URL with the media root. So settings.media URL, comma, document root, document underscore root equal to settings dot media root. Settings.media URL, settings.media root, document underscore root. Copy down everyone properly. Venkatesh, you have not still copied down settings. Quickly, Venkatesh, copy down the settings. In every file, the URL should be generated. So we need to create the URL path. Ranjit. Then Venkatesh. Then admin.site.register, admin.site.register product. Let me create a custom. I want to customize my admin panel. I want to display the product name and category. That is sufficient. So let me create an admin class. Let me give it as product DUCT, product admin. Admin.model admin. And here first I need to specify for which model I am creating the admin panel. And then is to display ID, product name I want to display, and then the category let me display. This one also I need to register with the model. Register with the admin side. So product admin. After this, what we need to do? We need to create the super user. So to enter into the admin panel, we want our super user. So create the super user at everyone. Python manage.py create super user. Super user. Admin 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 yes Then super user created successfully. Create the super user, then run the server, everyone. Copy down the admin panel code, create the super user, then run the server. After this, we will visit the admin panel. First, wait till here, everyone. Description 256 GB. Okay, price around 90,000. Category you can take it as laptop. Is it trending offer? You need to select, that is your wish. Let me make it as trending. Choose a file. You need to choose one file. So download the images and keep it ready. Over here, Mac laptop, open, save. It has been created. Now let me check in the uploads whether I am able to get it or not. Yes, the laptop is getting added into my uploads. Similarly, you can add products, everyone. Add products to your website. So how you need to add products? Here we have categories, right? Based upon the category you can add the products. Electronics can be one category, fashion can be a category, then sports can be a category. Gadgets like this, consider 5 to 6 category, and in each category try to add 5 products. Consider 5 different category and add 5 products in each category. What you need to do? Consider 5 different category. Your wish, you can consider any category. 5 categories. Each with 5 products. 5 products. Consider the 5 category and try to add 5 products in each category, everyone. Five categories you can consider. From the database, from the model you need to fetch it out. Model. So let me import the model from dot models, import product. You need to fetch all the products. So data equal to product dot objects dot all. You need to fetch all the products, and then now what you need to do, you need to display them out in the home page. So through the context you are going to send the data. What does your all method return? All method is going to return you the query set. So if it is returning a query set, what you need to do to display, to fetch each and every record, you need to apply a for loop. So first send the data through the context to your home.html. Now in the home.html, there is your templates. Yeah. In the home.html, let me give it in the center. For loop you need to apply for displaying each and every record. For I in data, in the end for, first of all you need to display the image of the product. So image tag. In the src what you need to do, you need to give i.p image. How it should be loaded? In the form of url. So dot url. It is going to convert it into url format. Dot url. After that what you need to do, what other things you can display it out? You can display the image name, image description, all those things. Let me take a paragraph tag. I.p name I have given. Then let me display the description. Nice. Now let me check it out. Log out. Yes, the image is also loaded. You can give the css everything. You can use the class names, use flex display, all those things, and you can properly give the css for your home page. But for now just display it out. Yeah, views I need to show, I will show you.